शुक्लाम्भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. With the blessings of our gurus and with the blessings of the God Himself, let us make an attempt to learn this wonderful stotra, which is known as ShivaTandava stotra, which indeed is a downpour of bhakti. It is truly by the immense grace of our gurus and our divine parents, Lord Shiva and Parvati, we are able to discuss this wonderful stotra today. This stotra, which so beautifully depicts the dance of the Lord, is indeed a marvel. Um, when it comes to the composer of the stotra, there are different opinions. This is a very short stotra with 15 shlokas, and in the 15th shloka, we see the term Dashavaktra Geetam, indicating that Ravana could have possibly composed this stotra. Another way of interpreting Dashavaktra Geetam is as follows. The term Vaktra refers to mouth. So the dance of the Lord is showcased so brilliantly in the stotra, and when a devotee reads this with devotion, all the 10 directions are bound to reverberate in harmony. So this is also one way of interpreting the term Dashavaktra Geetam. Um, when we look at the stotra, we can see that it is not just an intellectual masterpiece, but when we see the bhakti in the stotra, um, we see that whoever composed the stotra, his mind was completely absorbed in the divine. And in such an exalted state, the words coming out of the devotee's mouth are the words of the Lord Himself. That is quite evident in the choice of words, the bhava, and even the meter in which the stotra is composed. So, even if we were to assume it was Ravana who composed the stotra, in that state of total absorption, that individuality of Ravana, those demonic tendencies of Ravana, they were not there. So, what was present in that absorption and what was coming out through Ravana's mouth are the words of Shiva himself. And coming to the meter, this stotra is composed in the Panchachamara meter. Meter is also known as Chandas, and each Chandas has a unique characteristic. And this Panchachamara meter, Pancha refers to something that's spread across a large area, and Chamara means fan. So this meter contains the movement of a large fan. So the use of this particular meter is also very interesting as far as the stotra is concerned, because this literally brings out the vibrancy or the Tandava of the Lord. And we can certainly experience the Tandava of the Lord when we read each shloka. Now, coming to dance, there are two major dance forms, Lasya and Tandava. Lasya is a more gentle and very graceful form of dance, generally performed by women, and Tandava is a more vigorous and energetic form of dance performed by men. Divine Mother Parvati performs Lasya, whereas our Divine Father Shiva performs Tandava. Um, Lasya and Tandava are not limited to Kailasha. In fact, they are seen every instant in our lives. When water flows gently in the form of a river, Lasya is seen. We see Tandava when the water cascades across the boulders in the form of a majestic waterfall. We see Lasya when we observe our breath which flows gently when we are at rest. We see Tandava when we breathe harder and faster and when we are doing an intense workout. The examples are indeed endless, and this Lasya and Tandava extend all the way up to even the subatomic particles. This is the reason why an idol of Nataraja, the dancing form of Lord Shiva, eh, Nataraja, is installed at CERN, the world's most advanced particle physics laboratory. The energy dance at the subatomic level has been clearly recognized as the dance of the Lord himself by great physicists such as Fritjof Capra, and we are indeed fortunate to witness this vibrant dance of the Lord that has been brilliantly encapsulated in the form of this wonderful, wonderful stotra.